Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening, you'll see it's a pretty low-key evening. In math, there is no homework as we just got into our first module, our first unit within the textbook. Science, there's no homework as well. In social studies, we need to study our BIA key terms. The two terms we had yesterday, digital footprint and reputation. We also need to add fishing and catfishing to that from today. Study those terms because we will be having a quiz over them early next week. In language arts, there is no homework. In literature, classroom expectations needs to be signed and turned in by this Friday. That was given to you at the end of last week. In CNL, you need to get a parent signature on the FCCLA letter. That is due on Tuesday, September 3rd, after we come back from Labor Day weekend. Which reminds me, we do not have school this upcoming Monday on September 2nd due to the holiday. So we do have a 3-day weekend coming up. Also, one last point of interest. I know teachers have been talking to you about this, but final forms, you need to have your parents fill out your forms online. And then you need to also go and sign off on that as well. Those can be accessed from the main Ontario Schools page, which I'll show you here real quick. Up here, final forms, click on it, and you can do your setup from there. Many students that don't have this done yet, they have been given information for them to bring home. That's it for today. Have a great Wednesday.